Once a chaiwala, today he is selling sindoor and he will do that in Bengal. That is Mamata Banerjee's minister about Prime Minister Modi. And that comment has been made hours before you will have Prime Minister Modi landing in West Bengal. Now, you would recall ever since the success of Operation Sindoor, you have seen the Prime Minister almost on a blitzkrieg of sort. He was in Gujarat for 2 days. Now he's traveling to Bengal. Then he goes to Bihar. And a lot of these are poll-bound states. So the idea of the BJP is also to ensure that the message of the success of Operation Sindoor goes loud and clear. And the charge that the opposition is leveling is that this is the BJP wanting to politicize Operation Sindoor. They want to take the credit that belongs to our armed forces. Having said that, when you have a Trinamool minister making a comment like this hours before the Prime Minister touches down in Bengal, what does this mean? Is this plain, simple politics? Has this comment been made keeping in mind that you need to seize the moment, you need to seize the narrative from Prime Minister Modi, who will obviously be speaking about Operation Sindoor when he's in Bengal? And I was just thinking, when you talk of Sindoor, there is a Sindoor Khela in Bengal. Again, very, very important. So you look at the symbolism of how this entire issue might just pan out when it will come to Bengal. Bengal is a fierce fight where you have Mamata Banerjee almost right now, fighting what many would say with her back to the wall, because this is really going to be a tough election for her. You have seen the SSC scam, the teacher recruitment scam, not very kind words coming in from the courts. You've seen what happened as far as the Waqf protest was concerned, the Murshidabad violence, and again a court-appointed panel raising fingers and questions at the conduct of the state police, the state government. Mamata Banerjee, for the moment, not wanting to get into that controversy. So there is so much happening in Bengal. When it comes to a lot of these political points that are being raised between both the BJP and the Trinamool, Bengal is clearly a state that the BJP wants to win. You're looking at that push also. You will have the Prime Minister later, even the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be in West Bengal in the next few days. So clearly there is that push coming in. On the other side, it is not just these problems that Mamata Banerjee is dealing with. You would recall that when you had an all-party delegation that was announced by the government that's going to be traveling to different world capitals, putting out the message of why Operation Sindoor was so important, so critical, and this was a fight against terror. What did Mamata Banerjee first decide to do? She decided to ensure that Yusuf Pathan, who was named as one of the members of that panel, does not go for that all-party delegation, only to later, go in for the damage control, and then you have Abhishek Banerjee a part of that delegation now. So you've seen that pushback from Mamata Banerjee, who made it very obvious. If you had to send someone from my party, you will ask me, no, you will directly not call Yusuf Pathan. So she didn't take to that entire exercise very, very kindly, one must say. And then Mamata Banerjee, the Trinamool, has joined ranks with the other opposition parties today, wanting a special session of the parliament to discuss Operation Sindoor. And she's been saying that before you tell people across the world about Operation Sindoor, at least tell us. And then interestingly, Mamata Banerjee is missing from the first meeting of the states that was chaired by the Prime Minister post the success of Operation Sindoor. That was the Niti Aayog meeting. Mamata Banerjee missing from there. So if you just connect the dots, it's a huge fight, a face-off between Mamata Banerjee, Didi, a fierce fighter who is fighting right now to ensure that she retains her bastion. There is a good amount of infighting in the Trinamool, but then when it is a Trinamool, there is only one leader, one neta that matters, that is Mamata Banerjee. On the other side is the BJP that clearly has, a lot of those ambitions to ensure that somewhere Mamata Banerjee is contained and the BJP is able to make a good enough impact and a dent on Trinamool there, because there are also charges of appeasement, if you realize. So there is this appeasement narrative, there is the nationalism narrative, and then to set it all on fire, quite literally. Hours before Prime Minister lands in West Bengal, you have Mamta Banerjee's minister saying कि एक समय पर वो चाय बेचते थे, अब सिंदूर बेच रहे हैं. Do you think this could politically backfire? It's going to be an interesting story to track. Do let us know what you also think about this. We on NDTV will continue to get you updates.